Hello guys, welcome back to Zog. Today we are making, what is it called? Oobleck. Oobleck is a thing where it's all mushy and everything, but like you hand sink in it. But then watch. It doesn't even go in your hand. And also, so you grab a little ball, go like this, make it into a ball, and then, oh, wow. And if you spill a little bit onto the table, your parents might think it's a mess, but you can actually just go like that. Easy, peasy. And then you swipe down the table with a sponge. So the things you'll need will be a bowl to mix in, something to mix with, water, and cornstarch. So what you will do first is add in your desired amount of cornstarch. And then you will add in your water. And mix it up. Forgot to grab something. I'll be right back. So, I went and grabbed color for after, because this one's blue. So, oh geez, it's already, starting to form. It's a little bit messy, so you want stuff under it. And because it sticks, you have to like scrape it off. Just gonna roll it all around in the water. Scrape it. And so right now, a little bit of it is already oobleck. It doesn't even ripple. Some of my hands go in. Ripples, ripples, ripples. Then I go slowly. It eats my hand. Okay, so then I'm gonna add a little bit of color. I added a little too much water, so it's really drippy. So I'll be back to you when I'm done mixing. So right now my mom is playing with it. She helped me mix it up and everything. See, when you hold it and start messing with it, it turns into a solid ball. And then it starts to be stringy. Boom. Pow. It's yellow. And when it's too watery, you add more cornstarch. When it's too thick, you add more water. This is a bit messy, but it's easy. All you do is wipe down the table with a wet sponge.
So this is too crumbly, so we need a little bit more water.
A little bit more water. Just keep playing with it until you like it how it is.